Ready, start. Learned counsel vehemently argued that the state did not have the legislative competence to reduce the input tax credit already earned by inserting subrule within bracket 8 in Rule 21 before making amendment in the corresponding enactment, that is section 13 of the Punjab VAT Act. Full stop. Amendment in the Punjab VAT Act having come into effect from 1/4/2014, the amendment in Rule 21 within bracket 8 of the Punjab VAT rules could not have come into force prior thereto. Full stop. Appeal filed by the state lacks merit and therefore should be dismissed. Full stop. Submissions made by learned counsel for the parties have received the due consideration of the court. Full stop. At the outset, let us refer to and analyze the relevant statutory provisions. Full stop. Section 2 of the Punjab VAT Act is the definition section. Full stop. Section 2 within bracket O deals with input tax. Full stop. It says that input tax in relation to a taxable person means the value added tax paid or payable under the Punjab VAT Act by a person on the purchase of taxable goods for resale or for use by the taxable person in the manufacture or processing or packing of taxable goods in the state. Full stop. Input tax credit has been defined in section 2 within bracket P to mean the credit of input tax available to a taxable person under the Punjab VAT Act. Full stop. On the other hand, output tax as defined in section 2 within bracket S in relation to a taxable person means the tax charged or chargeable or payable in respect of sale and slash or purchase of goods, as the case may be. Full stop. A reverse input tax credit as per section 2 within bracket ZE bracket close means the amount of input tax credit which is required to be reversed by a taxable person on account of the four situations enumerated thereunder, including one where credit note for output tax is received from the seller of goods on purchase in respect of which input tax credit is claimed. Full stop. While tax period has been defined in section 2 within bracket ZM bracket close to mean the period for which a person is required to pay tax under the Punjab VAT Act or under the Punjab VAT rules, taxable person has been defined in section 2 within bracket ZN bracket close to mean a person who is registered for the purpose of paying VAT under the Punjab VAT Act. Full stop. Section 13 of the Punjab VAT Act deals with input tax credit. Full stop. Subsection within bracket 1 of section 13 of the Punjab VAT Act along with the first proviso thereto, as it stood prior to the amendment, reads as under colon. The aforesaid provision says that a taxable person shall be entitled to ITC in respect of input tax on taxable goods, including capital goods, purchased by him from a taxable person within the state during the tax period. Full stop. As per the unamended first proviso, such goods should be for sale in the state or in the course of interstate trade or commerce or in the course of export or for use in the manufacture, processing or packing of taxable goods for sale within the state or in the course of interstate trade or commerce or in the course of export. Full stop. Subsection within bracket 9 of section 13 provides that a person shall reverse input tax credit availed by him on goods which could not be used for the purposes specified in subsection within bracket 1 of section 13 or which remained in stock at the time of closure of the business. Full stop. Section 70 is the rule making provision. Full stop. While subsection within bracket 1 empowers the state government to make rules for carrying out the purposes of the Punjab VAT Act, subsection within bracket 2 on the other hand provides that rules made under the Punjab VAT Act may be either with prospective effect. Full stop.